Hello guys, my name is Kukule Sithole. Welcome back to my channel guys. Today we're making Eat-Sum-Mor cookies, depending on how you want to call them guys, with only these few ingredients. Like this is it, this is all we need. Well, we're going to cream our butter before we add anything else. And this is our icing sugar. It's a cup of icing sugar guys. It's better if you sift it. I forgot to sift mine, so just sift your icing sugar just to get rid of all the lumps. And guys, for these ingredients, for this recipe, you need 500 grams of butter. But since I didn't have enough butter, that's why I'm adding oil. If you have 500 grams of butter, you don't need to add oil. This is, I only used 250 grams because I didn't have enough. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm adding my 1 cup of oil to replace the butter that I don't have. You guys, remember I don't have enough butter. That's why I'm adding the oil. Keep mixing. Now I'm sifting in my flour. This is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour if you like. And guys, I'm also going to add a cup of corn flour. Guys, corn flour helps with the crispness of your Eat-Sum-Mor, of your cookie. If you have it, use it. But if you don't have it, guys, you can still enjoy your cake. Your Eat-Sum-Mor is still gonna be nice, but they're not gonna be as crispy as they would if you have a corn flour. So guys, just keep that in mind and just mix. And guys, just go. If you need to go in with your hands, please do. I'm just going to go in with my hands and just mix. I don't need like so much mixing for these ingredients, but I'm just gonna mix just enough. Guys, the must-haves if you wanna bake your Eat-Sum-Mor, you only need flour, butter, and icing sugar. If you have those things, guys, you're good to go. Filling my work surface with flour just to avoid my dough from sticking. And guys, I'm just going to use a cutter for this. If you don't have a cutter, guys, you can use a knife. You can use whatever you want to cut with. You can make your Eat-Sum-Mor or your cookies. You can make them round. You can make them whatever shape you prefer, whatever shape you desire. I'm just flattening my dough before using a rolling pin. I'm sprinkling some flour on my dough as well, so that my dough doesn't stick to my pin, to my rolling pin. Okay guys, I'm using a cookie cutter for this to cut. If you don't have it, as I said, you can use whatever you have. You can even use your glass to cut. You can use your cup, you can use your glass, you can use your knife, you can use whatever, guys. I grease my tray with oil because I don't want my cookies to stick on my pan. It helps when you remove your Eat-Sum-Mor. The process is very easy if you just grease your pan, your tray with oil. Guys, my oven is preheated to 180 degrees. And I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes. 18 to 15 minutes, guys. Keep checking your oven so that they don't burn you, guys. Okay, my Eat-Sum-Mor are out of the oven. They're looking beautiful, you guys. They're looking so beautiful. I'm just going to transfer them to my cooling rack. This next tray, guys, I'm just going to show you guys that there are many ways to do this. If you do not have a cutter, there are many ways. Just look at this. So easy. You can enjoy your Eat-Sum-Mor without these cutting things, you guys. Look at this. So easy. If you have a fork, you can just do this and enjoy your cookies. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking and the thumbs up, guys. Do not forget to thumbs up my video, because guys, it lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying this. These are good videos, and then they send them to other people. So guys, thank you so much. I highly appreciate your support. Please continue supporting me, and yeah guys, we're done. We are done. What more? Like, what more, guys? Guys, please don't forget to leave a comment. I really appreciate and I really enjoy reading your comments. Please don't forget. Love you guys. Bye.